Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the LaMetric Time. It's a connected clock for home and business, winner of the Red Dot Award in 2016. Basically, it is a smart alarm clock. Really excited for it. Here is how it comes packaged to you. Really nice packaging, really showcases all of its different features. So it's got different clock faces, apps for everyone, shows the weather, shows your social media likes. So you can create your own apps, personalize actions, a daily agenda, so it can remind you, I guess, of your calendar notifications, and then tweets, breaking news and sports. Connects via Wi-Fi, so really cool. It's got 8x8 color LEDs and then 29x8 white LEDs. The package it shows you right here includes the connected clock, a micro USB cable, power adapter, and quick start guide. Really neat package, so just really happy with it. Looks like it works with Amazon Echo, all that stuff. So it controls your smart lights, smartwatch, your thermostat. Really cool. Again, on the front you see DIY, personalized apps, smart home display, social and digital metrics, real-time news, different clock faces. That just shows you the serial number, internet radio, wireless speaker, wake up with music. So this looks really great. I've shown you every side of the packaging. So now we will just go ahead and open it up. If this is something you're interested in checking out more of, I will post the video link, or I'll post the link to this product in my video description below. It'll take you to Amazon. You can read about it. Hopefully purchase it, add it to your cart, or find a different clock that better suits your needs. But we're going to go right in and open it up. So here it is. Ooh, cool. First thing out of the box is the clock itself. On the back, if you can see that, headphones and a micro USB. We'll go ahead and try to take it out of this packaging. Up at the top, I'm sensing 3 buttons. Cool, really light, really lightweight. And inside the box, as you can see, packaged nice and neat. Different adapters, so they give you multiple ends to use this internationally or wherever you travel. So that's really helpful. Let's show you the third one if we can get it out too. So these are your 3 choices, and then those will obviously just slide right in there if you want to use one of the other ones. I'm going to keep the US adapter on because that's where I am and that's where I'll use it. Then they give you a pretty good sized micro USB cable right there, USB, and then there's the micro end if you can see that. Set that to the side. And a quick start guide and the compliance information. You may just want to hold on to this or let it find its way to the trash can. Here's the quick start guide. We'll go ahead and open it up. So basically it shows you how to get started. It says turn on the device, download the smartphone app, register and configure the device. Power button is on the side. Alright, so I was waiting for this thing to charge. I thought it was wireless. I am mistaken. It is a wireless speaker, but you have to always keep it plugged into the power supply. It's pretty straightforward though. This will have a code. You go to the app, you sign up, you enter the code, then it's synced. So thank you for watching this video. Check it out in the description. Who knows, maybe I'll come back through in a little while with a follow-up video showing you what sort of features it has. So anyways, great device. Really excited about it. And again, you can check it out in my video description on Amazon. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.